What's up people, Varun here. So today we have with us Acer Aspire 5. It's a 15.6 inch laptop powered by AMD's latest Ryzen 5000 series processor. It also has a 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB of SSD. So without any further delay, let's crack the box open, check the laptop out, and then let's jump to the review. All right, a box in a box. All right, let's open this up. Okay, quite standard packaging by Acer. So on the right, I think we have the charger. Yep. So this is your charger, and this is your a rather small barrel connector. Okay, this is the laptop. Let me remove this out. So this is the laptop. Let me remove the laptop out from the white sleeve. So this is nice silver finish on top, as you can see. Let me open this up. Yeah. Ryzen 5000 series, Radeon graphics. So this is the laptop. Put this aside. We have some paperwork as usual. What is this? It says here this is an HDD upgrade kit, and that's it. That's the unboxing. So in the box you get the laptop, paperwork, charger, power cord and a charger, and this. So yeah, that's your unboxing experience for Acer Aspire 5. Now let's jump to the review. Hey guys, so today we are taking a look at another rockstar product from Acer. This is Acer Aspire 5 with the latest Ryzen 5000 series CPU. It is equipped with a 15.6 inch display, AMD Ryzen 5500U processor with Radeon graphics, 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of NVMe M.2 SSD. I've been using this laptop for well over 15 days now, and this is definitely the best laptop you can buy under 60,000 rupees right now. Let's find out why. As usual, let's start off our review by talking about its display. Aspire 5 is dotted with a large 15.6 inch Full HD 1080p IPS panel. It's crisp and vibrant with decent viewing angles, though not that color accurate as the sRGB color gamut is around 63%. One advantage of the display is that it's anti-glare, so if you're working outdoors, it won't be an issue. It does get bright, but not that much. Its nits count is 250. The display is quite large and it's perfect for content consumption for hours on end. The display is not meant for any professional work, but for normal day-to-day usage, it works really well. Now, let's talk about its build quality and design. Aspire 5 build is quite good. The lid is all aluminium with a silver Acer logo, and the rest of the chassis is made out of a mix of plastic and metal. The silver color looks really good on Aspire 5 and it does not attract any fingerprints whatsoever. The hinges are quite sturdy and there are no unusual creaks and bends observed during my time with Aspire 5. If we talk about the bezels, they are thin on the sides, but the top and bottom are quite chunky. The top bezel houses a 720p webcam. The back of the laptop is comprised of 3 rubberized feet with speaker grills, and the heat vents are located at the bottom chassis behind the keyboard. Even though it's a 15.6 inch laptop, it weighs less than 1.8 kgs, which makes it somewhat portable. Overall, the design is sleek and build quality is great. Acer has done a good job with this one. Next up, performance, and here this laptop leaps ahead of the competition thanks to AMD's latest Ryzen 5000 series processor coupled with 16 GB of RAM. Ryzen 5500U is comprised of 6 CPU cores with a base clock speed of 2.1 GHz. The performance which comes out of this machine is exceptional. I am a heavy Chrome user and I usually work with more than 30 to 40 tabs open all the time, and never once it showed any signs of slowing down. The multitasking on Windows 10 was a breeze as well, thanks to 16 GB of RAM. In India, this laptop comes with 8 GB of RAM, so it is highly recommended to bump up the RAM to 16 GB if you are someone who is into programming or video editing. I did not encounter any thermal throttling. However, I did notice fans spring up now and then. The fan noise is bearable. Also, this laptop ships out with the latest Wi-Fi 6 module. I have a router that is Wi-Fi 6 certified, so my Wi-Fi speeds were constantly on the higher end during the entire duration of my testing. Overall, this laptop is a performance beast, and if you are a heavy user, then this can be a perfect choice thanks to its amazing Ryzen CPU. Next up, gaming. Aspire 5 can be a great choice for casual gamers thanks to Radeon Vega 7 graphics. Though it only has 512 MB of VRAM, I encountered no issues with GTA 5. You can easily game on this machine on low to medium settings. Now, let's talk about its battery life. Aspire 5's battery life can be deduced as above average. It lasted for 6 to 7 hours for my kind of usage, which is pretty decent considering it's a 15.6-inch laptop. Also, you cannot charge this via USB-C port, which is a miss by Acer. With the provided ancient barrel charger, it can juice up the laptop to 100% in less than 3 hours. If we talk about the keyboard, it's full-sized and backlit. The typing experience is really great on this one. The key travel is decent and the feel of the keyboard is soft and mushy, which I prefer. The trackpad is off-center and it's not made of glass. The gliding is smooth on the surface and it supports Windows 10 gestures. No issues here. Next up, I/O situation. On the right, you have your Kensington lock slot, one USB 2.0 port and a headphone jack. On the left, you have the charge port, Ethernet port, HDMI 2.0 port, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and a USB-C port which sadly does not support power delivery. In terms of upgradability, there is good news as well. RAM can be upgraded to up to 24 GBs and the storage can also be expanded to up to 2 TB as it has additional slot for 2.5-inch HDD or SSD. Lastly, speakers. They are located at the back of the chassis and are downward firing. Good for your Zoom calls and YouTube Netflix. Alright, time for final thoughts. This right here is the best laptop you can buy under 60,000 rupees right now. Acer has done an amazing job with this laptop. The Ryzen 5500U performance is excellent, Vega graphics is apt for some casual gaming, and the big 15.6-inch display is really great for content consumption. Also, the flexibility to upgrade the RAM and storage is icing on the cake. Aspire 5 is made for both power users and regular home office users who are looking for an all-in-one 15.6-inch laptop with good specs. This laptop gets my top recommendation and you should definitely go for it if you're on the fence. And yes, please do upgrade the RAM to 16 GB when you get it. The difference in performance is noticeable. The only wishlist items I have with this laptop are a fingerprint sensor and a USB-C charging. Everything else is on point. Alright guys, this is it for the review. Let's hang out in the comment section below and fire all your questions if you have any regarding the Acer Aspire 5. And yes, please like and subscribe as it helps out the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.